Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make your Wix website private. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So as you can see guys, we are right now on Wix website editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to get here is from my site's page, make sure that you go to the site that you want to make it private and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you will be here in your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, make sure that you're in the home page and then go up to the right and click on edit site. Once you click on edit site, you will be directed to this page where you're going to find all the tools that you will need in order to customize or edit your website. So basically guys, in order to make your website private, all you need to do guys is go up to a page, click here, and then go all the way down to manage pages. Once you click on manage pages, you will be right here. You're going to find all of the sites, pages, and menu. You can add a page from here. So basically guys, what you need to do guys right now is go to the home page, which is the first page that will appear on your website. And then click on these three dots and then click on edit settings. Once you click on edit settings, from here you're going to find page info, layouts, permissions, and SEO basics. Click on permissions and then from here you can either set it to everyone or password holders or members only. So for example, I'm going to make it only to password holders. And I'm going to set, for example, the password to 4 zeros and then just go back. Once you go back, just go ahead, quit, and now click on save, save and continue. And now click on publish now. Once you click on publish now, we're going to visit the site. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. As you can see guys, right now, when you visit the site, it's private. You need to enter the password first, and then you will have access to the site. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.